Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD and we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD and slightly off of oversold conditions with the RSI. If we extend out once more onto the daily chart, we see the same action remaining in negative MACD, and we did bounce right off the 150-day moving average, this red line, at the price of $1,849. However, the next support level, if this moving average does break, will be where you made resistance in the past, and since we're above resistance, that will now act as our support. And that is around the price of $1,816. As for resistance to the upside, that will be the 9-day moving average, this purple line at the price of $1,889. If we were to move up higher to test resistance, that price movement to downside, or upside I should say, is roughly around say 1.3%, and to test support, that is around 2.6% to the downside. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and as for my position size, that will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry will be at $170.65, which is this range right there, and that coincides with resistance in the past, and since we're above resistance, that will act as our support. The sell target will be $177.01, and the stop loss will be at $169.17. On the other hand, my short entry will be at $180.33, and that is this range there. As for my sell target, that's $172.16, and my stop loss will be at $181.89. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? That all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 25% chance for it to climb between 0 to 2.8%. Further extreme case to the upside, a 6% chance to climb between 2.8% to 5.5%. As for the downside, we have a 56% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2.8%. And further extreme case to the downside is a 13% chance to fall between negative 2.8% to negative 5.5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.